Today we're picking up an oil filter.
Yep.
And a burek. Ooh, yeah. Sexy. Putting AI cameras that will keep track of all the vehicles on track. Morning. Not gonna start the car yet. Do not to wake up neighbors because I can talk to you then without waking them up. I also need to wake myself up because I slept for 3.5 hours, I think. It's the first very short night in a very long time, so don't worry, and tomorrow I will definitely catch up on sleep. Probably will have a nap in the meanwhile. More importantly, let's not get sidetracked. Let's talk about the exciting things that we're gonna be doing today. I'll be picking up 2 of the new team members for Vulcan and also myself, 2 guys that will be supporting me and Vulcan Alpha on the media side of things. One is Stanislav, someone from Ukraine who actually been already living in Austria, but now will be moving to the Nürburgring to support us, well, support me with editing, support Vulcan with photography because he has some photography skills, maybe support 3MD as well with some organizational skills because he used to organize drift events in Ukraine until we all know what is currently happening. And the second one many of you should know is the one and only Geo.Baz, the meme lord from Car Throttle times, current times as well. And yeah, he's now actually flying on his way from Greece, so we'll be picking him up also from the airport. And that's kind of it. But not more importantly, but for today's video, very important, yeah, another part is that I'll be bringing the X5 since I'll be picking up Geo.Baz. Is it Geo.Baz or Geo.Baz? Anyway, we'll be picking him up from Frankfurt, and that's also where Stratton lives. M5 Tournai Restorations. Not necessarily lives, but has his workshop. So we'll be stopping by his place, his workshop, because the X5 should get an oil change. And this is something that he wanted to do to make sure that his car is running smoothly and nicely. So now let's wake up the car and also wake ourselves up with the rumble and also probably with the bill for the fuel, because it's been kind of astronomical in a way. We're now averaging out the 17 liter, 7.1 per 100 kilometers. And on another note, more importantly, the car has breached 200,000 kilometers. So I think we've done over 8,000 since we picked it up. Another quick update: I had the car mildly detailed because after, well, many thousands of kilometers, especially with 2 dogs in the back occasionally, it was getting quite bad. Alright, let's go! Woo! And buckle yourself up first, of course. Coming up, today we're picking up an oil filter.
Yep.
And a burek.
Yeah.
Yes.
Multiple bureks.
Yes. Let's go. Oh, the door is already open. It has a automatic door, huh?
It's a bit messy. Need a driver. You know what's funny? This filter online, it's 8 euros. Local shop, 21.
And they are all wondering why
Amazon.
Yeah, why Amazon is the way to go.
Yep.
I wouldn't know. Which one are we going to?
This one here, that's the
Chivapi place.
Yeah.
Nice.
Maybe here. Because I think for Chivapi you gotta sit down. You can.
Of course. Gotta enjoy.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the shit.
Yes, and they have kaimak.
They do.
Dude, thank you so much for bringing us here.
No worries.
Because that's like the white gold of the Balkans. Exactly. Enjoy. I mean, 2 people come from different countries. Where you taking them? Of course, to Balkan restaurants.
Yeah.
Forget about schnitzels. Alrighty. So after Chivapi, we're now back in the dojo.
Now listen to the rattly M62.
Where's the rattle? Here. Somewhere, everywhere.
Maybe a little bit of the chain.
Oh wow.
This window doesn't work.
Oh, I love the tape. Yeah. It's not duct tape because you can see through it. It's very good. Be gentle with her, okay? Oh yeah. Nice. Ooh, yeah, sexy.
By the way, try the clutch in the car.
Ah, yeah.
Just sit and try.
All right.
What do you think?
Smooth, yeah.
Different than the standard.
Yeah.
Because it's a linear feel. Like
Yes.
It's not, it doesn't have that springy pop-up.
Yeah,
It's not too long. It's perfect throw.
Yeah, very good.
I like it.
For all your clutch upgrades and 539 restorations. So I think I might as well mention a bit something about the car so far, because I picked up the car from you with 193,000 kilometers.
Yep.
In the meanwhile, it has 201, so we passed the 200,000 mark. For people who have not followed, we've been to Croatia with it on a holiday. We've done lots of Euro tripping with it, and now it's pretty much temporary daily of Maggie and I, because we're waiting for our new car to arrive.
Did you know what the car is?
No, I think I'm gonna keep it a secret.
It's gonna be an awesome one.
It's gonna be a very awesome, yeah. So, but yeah, massive shout out to Stratton for hooking me up with a car, with a winter beater and just like a daily. And it's been actually amazing. Maggie is in love with it. I'm in love with it because yeah, she loves it. She said she says it's the most horrible fuel consumption car, of course.
Yeah.
And like when you push the accelerator, there's lots of noise, but not coming forward.
Yeah.
But once you get the momentum going, it's amazing. But it's extremely comfortable. And yeah, I mean, we only done around 10,000 kilometers. It's been reliable so far, nothing crazy. So all is good. Don't hit the roof.
No. So I coated everything underneath.
Uh-huh.
To protect it from, as you can see, from the salt and everything. It's
Yeah.
a finished job. Because otherwise, man, German winters are harsh.
Yep. Oh, look at some Bilsteins.
Yep.
Well, OEM suspension, I guess.
So B4 in the back, I actually need to put B6 because they didn't have them in stock. So I had to put the B4, but in the front it's B6. I have B6 sitting in the box over there.
All right. This is such a piece of art that you made.
Right?
Amazing. So when you expect it to be running?
Probably not so soon because I need to take the chassis now for dry ice blasting. Gotta remove the rear axle. Then it comes back and then I gotta start putting this thing back together. Transmission and then it goes in. Gotta do a custom tune. It's gonna be a lot of work, but
Amazing.
man, it looks beautiful creation.
It is. It's fantastic. How's it looking?
Good.
Big chunk.
Big gulp. Yeah, my drain catch over there, it's full, so I have to resort to this bucket, whatever it is. Oily.
Oily.
Yeah. Bit of oil.
Bit of oil.
And a bit of coffee.
Bit of coffee as well, very important.
Lavazza.
Lavazza. Yeah.
It's a comfortable car.
It's amazingly comfortable car. But it needs torque, it needs turbos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Supercharger maybe.
Yeah, let's do that next.
Is the oil change done?
We filled up the oil, but I didn't film it. So people can pretend we didn't put any oil in it.
Power steering flip perfect. I think it's not that hot. We can check the coolant level. It should be fine. It's fine.
Alright. So one of the few things that I only have to complain about this car is that the heating system lives its own life. Sometimes it blows hot on the right, sometimes on the left, sometimes it just doesn't do anything.
And my viewers know that problem very well. And one astute viewer actually noticed that I put, what's wrong with this thing? That I put the hoses for the heater core the wrong way around. So when I took them off, I didn't take a picture, and then I was following the real OEM, which is a parts diagram catalog thing for BMW. And according to that, I put the hoses the right way in. But when you look at the previous video where I took them out, they were the other way around. So I want to try flipping them around and see if that fixes the issue. Ooh, that's minimal, bro.
Yeah. It's actually nothing, what?
Yeah, that's good. Just gotta keep that hose up.
Keep the hose up.
Oh, a little bit there. So actually not a little, a lot. Come on, plug it in. So 28 degrees on the right, hot, 16 on the left, cold.
It's working.
Yes.
Woohoo!
That must have been it.
Yay!
Oh my god. My Patreon saved me. Really good eye. Like my viewers, like you wouldn't believe what they noticed in the video.
Nice.
I didn't even notice some stuff. Dude, this was the most annoying thing on the car.
I know.
By far.
Amazing.
Okay, you're gonna test it on the way back home.
I'll let you know.
Hopefully it doesn't change.
Thank you so much.
Worries?
S. take.
Let me check the oil one more time and then you're good to go.
Yeah, because on these cars you can still check the oil level.
Yeah.
With a dipstick. Fantastic.
I cannot believe that was it.
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice. Like a factory service.
Yes. Beautiful.
Thanks again.
No
We'll get that out of your way so you can rebuild more awesome
The
stuff.
headlights.
Oh yeah. Sexy lens.
Yeah.
Find out more on Stratton's channel. Yeah. Oh yeah, car is serviced, ready to go, the heater is working, we have fresh oil, and now we can go back to Nürburgring to find Geo.Baz's new home. I thought it would be only appropriate to take you to the to the most iconic spot before we go to the workshop. Yeah, watch the step. So, a little update. Yeah, as you know, they're finishing up this year the second part of the digitalization project, so putting AI cameras that will keep track of all the vehicles on track. So all the construction works out there, they're making sure that the cameras that will be put there have the proper connection. A month ago it looked completely different, but it should be, because of course in a month time, yeah, today is 15th, and on the 16th of March it will be open completely. For you probably in 2 weeks time, because we will be saving up these videos for the launch of Vulcan. Yeah, exciting, exciting. Woo! Fast forward to our workshop and look at this, we have a new exhaust, or actually it's old exhaust that Lapo took off the Speedster, which is standing over there. But more importantly, we have more pallet boxes. Look at that, these are Sonic tools. Lots of Sonic tools. So look at that, it's our first jack, so there will be an unboxing and installation video of all of that in one of the upcoming videos. And we have also a couple of other important things. Look at that fantastic cashier. We should get a brand deal, maybe. But more importantly, look at that. We have a package from the States, from Simpson by Holly. So I have 2 gloves, so one of you can use 1 pair, because I didn't know exactly my size, and they were kind enough to send me 2 sizes so I can check out what fits me. So we will have a look, and also a new pair of shoes, because I think I went for pink ones, because many of you like those fancy colored shoes on my videos. Oh no, it's my hands! Yes! I can be safe. Fantastic. So no shoes then. Well, shoes will come probably later at some point. Oh, that's amazing. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Kinda. Reminds me of that. I think I just went for black. Ooh. Oh, that's on the big size. I think that's a bit too big. Mom, these are too big. Much better. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Tomorrow we're going to Shining 3D in Stuttgart to pick up our fancy 3D scanner. So stay tuned for that. I'm sure Lapo will nerd you out about the specs and features and everything.
Yes, I will